What are you doing? Oh, cream wheat. I like cream or wheat.
He's cooking that for you now.
He's cooking for me. Eh? Cream or wheat. What happened? Tell us. Or what are you doing? There, tranquille, comme il est en train de faire quelque chose de beau.
Très intéressant pour lui.
You cooking? What is that? What is it called? What are you doing? Talk to us. He's so particular, he will not even test it. Like some children will try to put it in the mouth. Nope. Il ne mange pas n'importe quoi, n'est-ce pas?
Mais ce qui est bizarre, c'est qu'il va voir son French fry. Also,
That's ce qu'on a French fry, non?
Il va prendre, il va mettre dans la bouche direct. Même si le French fry là, elle a depuis des jours. Alors que tu vas venir lui donner quelque chose, peut-être de beau.
What are you doing? Tell us. Are you making a mess or you not making a mess? Zero thing. I'm not making a mess. I'm cleaning the place. That's why I asked that question. That question is like you shouldn't have that question, but Mommy, I'm working it. Mommy, I'm cooking. That's why I asked that question. Okay.